In this tutorial, we will explore how to blur the background of an image using Adobe Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Here we have a photo of a well-defined subject in the foreground and a background that we would like to blur. Let's start by duplicating the background layer twice. You can do this by right-clicking on the background layer in the Layers panel and selecting Duplicate Layer, but I will be using Ctrl J. Hide the middle layer and choose the top layer. So then, we need to separate the subject from the background. Simply go to Select and choose Subject, and after the selection, add the layer mask. Convert it to Smart Object and hide it. Unhide the middle layer and choose the lasso tool. Draw a selection like this around the subject. Then go to Edit, choose Fill and then Content Aware. Now go to Filter, select Blur and choose any of the blur effect you want, but I will be using Box. Adjust the radius level of blur effect you want by moving the slider to any position. Drag the slider or input a value to adjust the blur radius. Be mindful not to overdo it. Aim for a natural looking blur that complements your image. Click OK once you are satisfied. Going back to the top layer to unhide it. As you can see, the blur effect is applied to the background, but we need to make it realistic, and so follow this process. To control where the blur is applied, choose the middle layer and add a layer mask by clicking on the mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Select a soft brush and with the black as foreground color, paint over the areas you want to keep sharp. White reduce blur. You can also reduce the flow of the brush to reduce the depth of the brush. And there you have it. By applying a box blur and using the layer masking, we have successfully blurred the background, emphasizing our main subject.